County at all departments. The Columbia Hose and Steam Fire Engine Company, #1 of Shenandoah, would like to announce the last call of our brother, Albert J. Bubnis. Al was an active volunteer in the fire service for nearly 65 years. He served various positions throughout his career, from being Shenandoah Borough Fire Marshal, Shenandoah Borough Fire Chief, Fire Relief Secretary, 6th County Relief Association member, and held various administrative positions at the Columbia Hose Company. He also enlisted into the United States Army. A friend known to everybody he talked to, Al enjoyed hunting, fishing, camping, and most of all, the hobby of woodworking by building wooden fire trucks from scratch for his friends. On behalf of his beloved firehouse family, the Columbia Hose and Steam Fire Engine Company, #1 of Shenandoah, the citizens of Shenandoah Borough, and the surrounding municipalities, thank you, Al, for all your years of dedicated service to your community. Your memory will continue to live on in the hearts of those left behind. The Columbia Hose and Steam Fire Engine Company, #1, will now show you out of service. Rest easy, Brother Al. Watch over us. We will take it from here. 1420 hours, Schuylkill County clear. Dispatcher 109.